Okay, well, this is my second roof that we've put on the house. This roof is 13 years old and it's been deteriorating for quite a while. My wife and I were just unhappy with the look of the house. You know, we've tried to keep everything up, but the roof, even after the first year or so, started to have the effect of the colors change. We're moving towards retirement. I'm less than 3 years away from retiring, and as you get into retirement, number one is you keep replacing the roof. That eats into your savings, and then you weren't even going to make it very far into your retirement, and the aesthetics were going to go down again. And so, you know, I'd be buying another roof. And so we just decided once and for all to have this be the last roof we put on. And also at the same time, I had a roof put on our place up north. So 2 metal roofs, not going to have to do it again. And they just worked at it. It occurs to me for about a week and a half, making progress continually. And you know, one day we came home and it was all finished up, all trimmed up, and just beautiful. Knowing I'm not going to have to worry about the roof again, and the roof has been a problem, you know, with snow buildup, and then you get back up under the shingles with the ice dams. And I just don't feel like I'm going to have to worry about that this year.